Kbinet proudly presents the ECONAF MFC. It is high moisture resistance, great flexural strength, greater screw retention, and zero formaldehyde. It exceeds the Super E0 standard. What are the effects of formaldehyde to the human body? Watery and burning eyes, nausea, skin rashes, and possible carcinogen. It also causes asthma, miscarriage, dementia, and depression. As the global cabinetry market is going green, hence there's a rising demand for eco-friendly products. Research has shown that the awareness of Malaysians on eco-friendly materials are still lower compared to other countries. The manufacturing sector in Malaysia accounts for 40% of total energy consumption. Therefore, the society has to work towards environmental sustainability. The lifespan and durability of being certified as eco-friendly materials are important. Indirectly, this means lower maintenance and long-lasting.